For those of you who have applied for permanent residency in Canada and is waiting for the result, this is for you. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening po sa inyong lahat. Alma Armada from Alma Armada and Company. Alright, let's talk about Bridging Open Work Permit. What is a Bridging Open Work Permit and when do you apply for it? You should be applying for a Bridging Open Work Permit within 4 months of the expiry date of your work permit. So make sure that you take note of the expiry date of your work permit and also, of course, your passport, because work permits cannot be issued beyond the validity of your passport. Yan, very important. And of course, if your spouse is here on an open work permit and your children are here studying, this is the time you all apply for the extension under the bridging work permit po sa principal applicant and open work permit sa spouse and study permit for your children. So very, very important. One question came up, what if I am under maintained status? Can I apply for a bridging open work permit? The answer is yes, as long as you are under maintained status because you're still a worker. So pwede pa po yan, okay? The only thing to note is when you're applying for a bridging open work permit is that you must have an AOR. AOR stands for Acknowledgement of Receipt of your PR application. You receive this letter from IRCC stating that your PR application has been accepted and is officially under process na po. Another question came up. What if I am under restoration? Unfortunately, if you are under restoration, you cannot apply for a bridging open work permit. You have to restore your status first, as maybe as a visitor, perhaps you can, or as a student, bago kayo maka-apply ng bridging open work permit. So you have to have legal status before you can do that. So hopefully malinaw po ako doon sa inyo. Again, congratulations po sa lahat ng mga nakakatanggap na ng AOR. Marami na po tayo dyan. And of course, while we're at the approval, I would like to congratulate everybody for receiving their LMIAs po. Napakadami pong LMIAs approval na dumating. So congratulations to our employers and of course to their workers. Ayan na po. It's been a long time. So 4 months, 5 months po bago dumating. But congratulations. Again, it's Alma Armada from Alma Armada and Company. Thank you for always watching my blog. I'm so grateful that you are here supporting me. Please continue to follow and subscribe and share this blog po. Take care of yourself, each other, of course, yung loved ones po natin. And God bless everybody until next time po ulit.